The extension of COVID-19 measures announced today also covers the recently tightened rules in Regina. Both Alberta and Ontario have just implemented strict COVID-19 restrictions in an effort to control the spread of variants of concern. But Saskatchewan is sticking with what it already has in place. For now, no new measures have been announced. Recently, the province has seen an uptick in cases in Moose Jaw, Weyburn, and other southwest areas. But Health Minister Paul Merriman says cases are stabilizing and restrictions are not being considered at this time.
If it's something that we need to be able to do, we're always prepared to do that. But we want to make sure that the restrictions are complemented with compliance of the restrictions that we have seen, but also making sure that those restrictions are functional for the city.
Meanwhile, Saskatchewan's top doctor predicts that all adults age 18 and over could get their first COVID vaccine dose by mid-May. Many essential workers, such as teachers and grocery store workers, have asked to receive prioritization for vaccination. The Premier said this morning that the province is actively assessing whether there are some larger workspaces where vaccines could be administered through mobile clinics.
Setting aside the age limit just to focus some vaccines on those folks that in this industry and other industries that have worked safely throughout.
The province is already using mobile units to provide vaccinations for shelters and group homes. This afternoon, both Moe and Merriman said changing vaccination priority will likely slow down the rollout.
To move those groups up into the queue, the queue is not very long. As Dr. Shahab outlined, by April 26th, we're looking at everybody 40 and older having their first shot. So that's only a couple of weeks away. Age 30 and older by May 10. Again, these are rough numbers based on the vaccine volumes that we're getting through.
For the time being, the province has not given any essential workers from the grocery and restaurant industries vaccine prioritization. Laura Sharpaletti, CBC News, Regina.